This is Two Truths and a Lie, scientific findings where, as it states, two are true and one is not. The three cases are monkeys are talking to each other, ivermectin is effective against COVID-19, and the never-ending battery. Number one, monkeys are calling each other names. Marmoset monkeys have been found to call each other by name and respond in kind. This discovery ranks monkeys among the ranks of species known to use names, which until now were only humans, dolphins, and elephants. An article in Newsweek quotes, "This discovery highlights the complexity of social communication among marmosets." Study co-author David Omer, a researcher at the Safra Center for Brain Sciences at Hebrew University in Israel, said in a statement. These calls are not just used for self-localization as previously thought. Marmosets use these specific calls to label and address specific individuals. We observed that monkeys from the same family group tend to use similar calls to vocally label others and use similar acoustic features to encode the identity of others. Additionally, family members' calls addressing the same receivers were significantly more similar than calls addressing different receivers, the researchers wrote. These similarities were observed even among individuals who are not genetically related, which implies that vocal learning may occur among adult members of a family group. The scientists suggest that this may have arisen to help monkeys keep in touch in their native rainforest homes, where they may not be able to see one another very well and therefore not have been able to identify family members visually. Number two, ivermectin is effective against COVID-19. Studies have found that ivermectin is effective for treatment of COVID-19. A 2020 study in Australia found ivermectin inhibited the replication of the coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, in a laboratory testing. Dr. David Feigenbaum, an immunologist at the University of Pennsylvania, who directs a database tracking research into treatment of COVID-19, said that showing a drug to be effective in a lab test on cells is a starting point. Feigenbaum said that there have been 25 randomized controlled trials, a gold standard for research, studying ivermectin as a treatment for COVID-19. The trials have collectively involved more than 2,000 patients, he said, and the results have been mixed. Number three, the never-ending battery. A diamond battery that never dies has been invented in the UK. This could power pacemakers and satellites for thousands of years. The semiconductor properties convert radioactivity into electricity. Nuclear fusion experts at the UK's Atomic Energy Authority worked with engineers at the University of Bristol on the project to build a prototype battery so we can potentially say bye-bye to lithium waste batteries. Diamond batteries offer a safe, sustainable way to provide continuous microwatt levels of power, said Sarah Clark, director of at the UK AEA. Scientists are saying we can have a real impact on people's lives because we can offer a technology where you never have to change the battery because it will, on human time scales, last forever. The decade ahead is about upscaling production and improving power performance. I'm Elliott Sims. Thank you for watching.